G'day folks, I'm Mick Van Sale from Ironman 4x4. Let's discuss the controversial subject of bull bars, underbody plates, side steps, battery equipment, canopies, roof racks, sliding systems, water storage, additional fuel, everything that can be done. Dun, 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 dun. G'day folks, I'm Mick and welcome to another Ironman 4x4 Tech Talk video. Today we're answering some more viewers' questions. As usual, the names have been changed to protect the innocent. So John Smith writes to us, "G'day Mick, love your videos." Love making them, John, thanks for that. I have a 4x4 Hilux dual cab. I want to fit a suspension kit in order to fit bigger tires. What are the advantages and disadvantages of increasing the tire size on my four-wheel drive? Very good question. A bit of a complicated answer, so let's see how we go. So there are definitely advantages and disadvantages to fitting bigger tires to your four-wheel drive. Fitting bigger tires is the only real way in which you can increase the clearance between the bottom of the diff and the road, especially on solid axle four-wheel drive. So if you have a four-wheel drive with a solid front and rear axle, the only way in which you're going to get more clearance under the diff is by fitting bigger tires. On four-wheel drives with independent suspension, a suspension lift will lift the under portion of the vehicle, especially along the center up, and it'll only be the control arms going down to the wheels that'll stay at the same height. Another advantage of fitting bigger tires is that you will have a higher sidewall, which will allow you to blow the tire down further as opposed to a low profile tire. Another advantage, of course, is that it looks great. But there are certainly disadvantages, and let's run through those. If you fit oversized tires to your four-wheel drive, they may actually not fit properly under the guard of the vehicle. And when you start articulating off-road, there's every chance that the tire will come into contact with the fender liners or the chassis or the steering components, which may cause damage to the tire and may cause you to lose control of the vehicle. Bigger tires are most often wider than the standard size tire, which will make the tire protrude past the fender of the vehicle. And this can cause stones to be chucked up onto the side of the vehicle, damaging the side of your tire. So not really a good idea. So the important thing to realize about fitting a bigger tire is that the diameter of the tire and therefore the circumference of the tire can increase significantly. The size of the original tire on your vehicle is very important from a gearing point of view. There is a correlation between that size, the diameter, and therefore the circumference of the tire, and the gearing of the vehicle, and the way in which the vehicle's motor delivers its power and its torque. So increasing the diameter of the vehicle will increase the circumference, and it'll start messing around with the overall gearing of the vehicle. So in effect, fitting a bigger tire is going to drop the engine revs down at a given road speed, and that's not always a good thing. So by upsetting that balance that was designed into the vehicle by the engineers, you're going to be using more fuel, you're going to be putting more strain on the drivetrain of the vehicle, and more importantly, you're going to be decreasing the vehicle's off-road capabilities. But folks, far more important than any of those is the fact that fitting bigger tires on the vehicle is going to decrease your braking performance, and that's a safety critical factor. By going from a 30.5-inch tire to a 33-inch tire, it's only a 7% increase in the wheel circumference, but the clever people that can do the maths will tell you that it's closer to about 20 or 25% decrease in the braking ability of the vehicle. And that's a serious safety critical issue right there. Not clever, not something you want to do. So John, to answer your question, the original tire size on the Hilux is 30.5 inches. You could safely go up to 31.5 inches, only by about 1 inch. So to go from a 265 65/17 to a 265 70/17 tire is all good. We do it all day long, every day, without any ill effect. But bigger than that, I would argue against. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when we post more of these videos. As always, stay safe, take care. See you next time.